Hey guys, and welcome back. So I've received some mail, so I got that. It's pretty much why I haven't had any updates been going up, is because I've been waiting for parts to show up. I've been waiting for, well, saving the money to buy parts and all that. So most of these parts to get the 20 deck going, I've finally sorted a loom to put, so I can actually put it in. So we'll just start unboxing shit and see what showed up and what hasn't. So this looks like my tensioner. So that's my new tensioner there. Another one there. So that's good. Some hose. So I take it, if I peel this comes open. So I'll just put the phone down for a second. Sweet. So this is my Franklin Engineering head drain kit. So I'm going head drain if you haven't worked it out already. So you get your bends, you get your fittings, the ones welded to your sumps, a nice big steel one, and the head drain itself, so the bit that goes into the back of your motor. So, oh, we haven't done it on this one. So that there is where your head drain goes. So you have to drill 2 holes and tap them and pop this guy out. So we'll do a video on how to get him out. They're actually pretty easy. A couple hits with a screwdriver in the right angle when you get them out. But well, right, I'll put all that back in the box and we'll get back to unboxing. And now I'll be able to put the cam belt on the motor, which will be great. Right, number 2. Now, fair warning, guys, as you can see, none of these have been open, and I ordered so much stuff I can't actually remember when stuff was shipped because I never got emails for it. So again, this is a medieval box. Another razor blade. Oh sweet. So this is my braided oil line kit. So you got your feed line, all your fittings, your return, all your fittings, more fittings, fittings. But yeah, so that one was $100. The head drain was $140. The bearings came to 100 and something. I think it was 140 something. One second. Just moving stuff to place stuff where I can sort of, you know, empty boxes anyway. That over there, that over there. Buckets can go in there. That there. Like that there. And in the process, I know. Right. I'll put it down for a second so I can cut this one open. Oh, sweet. So, God, this is well packaged. So this is my 5-bolt flange for the back of the turbo. So I can start doing a downpipe. So that goes that way. Ta-da! So I can actually start doing a downpipe for it. I just gotta, the holes are actually out, I think. Maybe a little, I might have to bore them out. But yeah, gives you sort of an idea. So that came with a gasket. So that's all good. They can go in the box. Right. Last but not least the most expensive one. What is in the giant box titled Rb20det? So I'll put it down so I can pick the box up for a start. Big, long box. Let's see what's in it. Open. Sesame. Okay, so picking fun. Different. Haha. Thought so. I'll just put this down for a sec. Right, and here we have the hybrid performance. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's got a hybrid down there. It's the hybrid performance mild steel top mount manifold with gate port. So that'll be good. It's actually pretty well finished. I'll just focus my phone. Everything seems good. I love how they've actually tapped these. My current crappy manifold doesn't have that. So I'll pause the video, I'll whack this manifold off and I'll put this one on, and so you can see pretty much what it's going to look like. So it might be 5 minutes.